Okay, guys, so when you start making your Starry Night picture, you are not going to, you're going to use markers, number one, but you are not going to color it in back and forth, back and forth. You're going to do one line at a time. So here's what I mean by that. Say I'm doing the sky up here. I do a blue line, blue line, blue line, and I go the direction the lines are in the picture. Some small, some short, and then you're going to go back in and fill it in with different colors. So there's blue. Then I'll go ahead and I'm going to put some gray in. Okay. You're filling in with all different colors. So here's blue. So yours is going to look different than Starry Night, but the same as well, because you're going to be using just these lines to fill in. See, I'm using the side of the marker, okay? And then I'll switch to maybe purple. But this way it's going to get that look like Vincent van Gogh's picture. Okay? So I do and I'm not going to do the whole thing. You'll see the final version. And I'm going to fill it in. And I'm just going to keep filling it in with different blues and grays in the sky, the stars. Okay, so here's the moon. The moon, okay, I'll outline it. And I'll do lines like this. And then I'll go back in. And maybe I'll do a little orange in there. And then maybe I'll even do this, like this peach color. So it has that Vincent van Gogh look. Okay, then around it, it goes in a circle. And I'll just keep adding lines in the direction that things go in the actual picture. Okay, and maybe here I'll do thin yellow lines. And I'll leave a little bit of it white as well. But you'll see the final version. Okay, so that's how you start it off. So go ahead and get going on that.